Hi, today in the clinic we have Mrs. Waghela, who was suffering from pemphigus vulgaris since 2008, and her husband will share her complete detailed history and now the improvement with Dr. Ravi Paneri's treatment. Yes, Mr. Waghela, can you describe?
Yeah, hi. My wife Kokila Waghela started suffering from mouth ulceration in the early 2008. During that time, we were not aware what this was. So, as a general thought, we felt it was mouth ulceration or stomach upset related problem. So, we went to a family doctor, general physician. We took medicines for some time. Then it did not cure. So, we went further to skin specialist. Someone recommended go to a dentist. It might be something related to dental. So, we went to dentist and then skin specialist. There also there was no cure or so no diagnosis for this. So then some of our friends suggested that why don't you go to a dermatologist and have it checked up. So then through reference we went to one very senior lady who was in her maybe early 80s kind of thing, and she suggested that we should take a tissue sample from the mouth and get the biopsy done. So once that biopsy happened, it came out that it was pemphigus vulgaris, and then we actually got the direction that this is a new disease which we had heard for the first time, and then we ended up with a dermatologist doctor. We went to Baroda Civil Hospital. There was a senior doctor who was dealing in this particular disease. So we took treatment from him for almost 2 years. The treatment started with dosage of steroids as high as around 20 mg, which gradually tapered down to around 5 mg. And then in 2010, suddenly a phase came where again the flare-up started. And that was for the first time when it came out from the mouth on external body, underarms and everywhere, on the eyelids and everywhere. And that time the condition had become very serious. So then that doctor suggested that you have to get admitted and you have to be injected certain fluids or some medicines, and it will be a very risky process. And then we changed the doctor again from the civil hospital to a private dermatologist who is also a very senior doctor into this field of dermatology for 20-25 years. And that time in 2010, the dosage which started was at 80 mg, and from 80 mg again we started coming down gradually, and in between we also tried other alternative medicines like homeopathy, Ayurvedic also. We went to as far as Vapi to get Ayurvedic treatment from a lady Ayurved who was also very well renowned in her field. But those alternative treatment was also not supporting in controlling the disease or stopping of the steroids. So that phase continued for early 2015, and then we went through internet media and came across your Dr. Ravi Paneri's website and certain videos of some patients, and then we thought again of trying an alternative medicine and came here for the treatment. Here we are getting the treatment for almost now 8 to 9 months now, and we have found reasonable improvement compared to earlier scenario. And at present the dose what she is having is around 2.5 milligram, which as per the dermatologist is a negligible dose for steroid, and it can be even continued if required. But this is the first time where 2.5 mg is sustaining the disease and controlling it, not sustaining but controlling the ulcerations in the mouth. And also the recent pathology reports of blood, CBC and all those counts have also improved compared to earlier reports. So that way we feel that we are now going in the right direction and having positive indication in terms of an alternative medicine for the first time. So hopefully we see that it may help us in maybe stopping steroid altogether down the line.
But before, with the minimum dose of steroid, it was not sustainable.
No, before we were able to come to 5 mg, and when we went below 5 mg, say 2.5, then again it started erupting.
Okay.
Small ulceration started at different locations in the mouth. So then we had to go back again to 10, then again we had to come down to 5. So that cycle kept on happening. So then the dermatologist suggested that 5 also would be fine. We can keep it up to 5 and continue taking 5 mg daily.
Do you follow any diet or any particular?
Yeah, diet wise she is very strict. She does not take any spicy food, any oily food, no food where there is sweetness also. She is controlling the sweet type food also.
And before, if she would eat anything like spicy, would it make any difference? And compared to now, what she feels, if by mistake if she eats anything?
See, spicy food since 2008 when it started, she has been controlling. So she has not taking any such food since 2008. But if by accident something goes into the mouth which is having chili or some spice into it, then it gives irritation.
And after the herbal treatment, do you find any change in that as well, or I mean?
Irritation at present also, the sensation is still there because the taste of those all things have gone away for so long.
Right.
That spicy taste has gone away. So even if something touches in the mouth, then also she feels that yes. But
intensity.
Of late, in last 6 odd months, she has tried eating something. We had gone out also.
Okay.
So that time. It has not happened that the ulceration has come due to that food.
Okay. So overall, if I say, or if I ask you how much percentage do you feel better, what would you just say?
Compared to earlier
before,
scenario, earlier scenario when we were even trying alternative medicines and also allopathy both together, compared to that scenario and today's scenario, we would say there is definitely 60 to 70% better results. Where she is feeling that yes, she
feels positive.
Control. Yes.
Okay. Would you like to say something? તમારે કેવું છે બેન?
No, I'm feeling all right.
Okay, તમારે પહેલા
Medicine is
working.
Working.
All right. Thank you.